It's a great deal to buy an Italian train pass at a 15% discount. You need to download the Rail Planner app to plan your itinerary, and then go to the National Railway website to reserve some seats. You don't have to buy a train every time. Quick and easy way to book Eurail Pass. Email with the redemption code was sent via email immediately after ordering, and could be used in the Rail Planner app. Number 39 is very easy to use, except that some tickets need to be booked separately, which can save a lot of money. It was saved because it was easy to purchase and use. For trains that require seat reservations at the counter, a seat reservation fee will be charged separately. Used to be when we purchased Eurail passes we had to pick up the passes in person. With this, everything is done online. And of course, the savings are a huge plus. After buying the ticket, only the reserved seat needs to be booked separately in the app for €10. Online reservations cost €12. The counter is only €10, but the counter may be queued to the point of dizziness. Number 39 is very easy and convenient. Friends, we bought 4 people collectively cheaper than going to buy it yourself. This time from Milan to Pisa and then to the finish line Rome, due to the trip are temporarily decided, ticket prices will also be more expensive than usual. Originally read the reviews, I thought it would not be very troublesome, but because I want to save money as much as possible, bought 6 days to try to use, just 1 day earlier and do a good reservation seat. This time we traveled all the way from Switzerland to Italy. The Swiss Rail Pass, 8 consecutive days, not only covers almost all trains, but also scenic trains, like the Glacier Express. You only need to pay the reservation fee, lake cruises, buses, subways, and some cable cars. It is super convenient and cost-effective, and it really gives you unlimited freedom in transportation. After arriving in Italy, we switched to the Italian National Railway Pass, 5-day flexible, which is perfect for traveling across cities such as Milan, Florence, Rome, and Naples. We can take high-speed trains such as Frecciarossi. An additional reservation fee is still required. But please note that the Italy Pass does not include the city and number 39's subway, bus, and tram, so you have to buy your own tickets to move around the city. To sum up in one sentence, the Swiss Pass allows you to travel wherever you go. The Italian Pass is suitable for city-to-city travel. Although it takes time to understand and it is inconvenient because the payment for the reserved seat cannot be paid online, it is overall affordable and convenient to change flights. Not bad, convenient and easy to use. You can see the list on the app.